You can create a certain custom product attribute, like a year attribute for example, and register your products under a year reference for your customers to find them easily. The problem is that you'll have a hard time finding all the products that are registered under the same year if you need them. You'll need to search through thousands of other products in your WooCommerce store to find the ones you are looking for. To help you with this, we will show you how easy it is to find all products containing any custom attribute very easily using the WooCommerce Product Spreadsheet plugin. This plugin helps you find and apply changes to thousands of products. It makes your life easier by displaying all your products in an intuitive spreadsheet where you can edit them freely. You'll find a link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find a link to our written guide. Here you can see all your products displayed in the spreadsheet, including the product custom year column, or any other attribute you have created. Now, to help you find all your products containing the desired custom attribute, let's open the search tool. Here, we need to write the custom attribute we're looking for. 2017 for example, if you have a year attribute. Note that this plugin works for categories, attributes, tags, and shipping classes. Then run the search. Now, all your filtered products will be displayed in the spreadsheet. Now that you have found all the products that you were looking for, let's export them to a CSV file. To do this, open the Export tool. Then, select the columns you want to export. Choose the app you'll use to edit the CSV file. And download the file to your computer. Here, you can see an example of how the CSV file looks like in Google Sheets. The WooCommerce Product Spreadsheet is definitely a great plugin to work with, as you can easily perform advanced searches and apply changes to thousands of products in a matter of minutes. Remember that you will find the link to download this plugin in the video description, as well as the link to visit our written guide. We have live chat support on our website in case you need extra help. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials.